I'm showing the disconnect all tube with hose connection. This one is a PVC tube. Yeah, that is the canister purge tube here, and the brake tube is also here. Another turbocharger charge air cooler tube is here. So other connection tube is the radiator or heater core tube. Yeah, let's start. When you try to fix your car, you need to disconnect the whole tube and connection. This one is a charge air cooler tube. It's kind of little hose, and then squeeze in and then push the back the rocking retainer like this. You can use the two finger and then push the back and then rocking retainer like this, and then pull the back. It's disconnected. This one is brake vacuum and bleeder tube, and yeah, you see that green rocking tab right here. Yeah, these two rocking retainer slide to remove the back at both at the same time, and then yeah, push the same time and push the back a little bit. So you can lose the slightly. So here you can use the screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and then take it out. Yeah, I showed this one is how it works. And then push the back to lock it. And now it's shoulder again, and slightly back, and then yeah, push the back of the green retainer, and then take out. You don't need to take out the whole clip. This one is the canister purge tube line. This is slightly different type design, and then spread out both sides green retainer. And you can use the two finger and then using the tool, and then show. Yeah, I show it how it works, and then this one's more close. Look at the close. This one like this, and then yeah. Push it in and then rock it. This one is a PCV tube. It just pops out, and I show you how it works. This one is outside white retainer is here, and then turning, kind of spinning, and then push it outward, and then pull it out like this. So just spread out like this, and then pull it back. This one's a charge air cooler turbocharger or booster tab, and then counterclockwise, pull it back, and then push it in again, and then clockwise is rocking. This coolant fitting is connection heater hose, trans cooler line, the coolant line. You need to blow dirt out first because it does not squeeze in. You can see the both white or gray rocking tabs here. You need to push it in first. So using your two finger like this, and then push or squeeze inward and hold. Push in, hold, and then turning the hose connection and then back it off. This retainer clip type is most of car and vehicle, truck, server, radiator hose, and heater hose, some of coolant pipe hose. Look at that, is the retainer clip. It's upward slightly like this, and then pushed in. That's all. This one is new style heater hose and coolant connection and the transmission full line. Yeah. This one is the older one, is squeezed in, and it pops out connection. And then this one is new style, much easier to take it out, and then it's not accumulate any dirt and debris inside. So one side you see the white retainer, and spread one side, just one side the retainer, and then spread out like this, spread out, unlocking, and put it out, pull the back as a disconnect. So it's this one is escape some of Ford SUV. It's kind of so much tricky. So you see that arrows here, and also across the look at this one is two arrows match the is rocking point. When you take it out and count clockwise, unlock the white tab and then put it back to the disconnect. Remember that two arrow position is locking position, and you need to remove the hose, unlock position, and then take it out. This one is a fuel line, some of vacuum line, and then it's not much hard. It's both sides, two retainer, and a squeeze in. Now you can see that spread out the retainer clip. Retainer ring. So much easier. Just the two finger, using the two finger and squeeze in from the pipe and pop it out. Like this. This one is slightly similar to the previous I showed F-150 vacuum line. This other two small locking retainer. This one is a fuel line. Most of the fuel line or F-150 EcoBoost usually. And then you see the locking tab is here, and it pops out. Pops out locking tab using the small tiny screwdriver, and then using the your finger and squeeze in, push the backward like this. You see that like this, and hold. Unlock the whole retainer. Now to push the back like this, and then it connect to the fuel line, and then locking the outside locking clip again. It's a kind of safety locking. This one is all the fuel line connection. So usually using the fuel line, that's not much hard. Just the red locking retainers. See that? And the squeeze in, push it back. It's so easy. So you see that lock again, just put it back, and then you need it to unlock and squeeze and push it back, lock between them. It's so easy one. This one is a slightly tricky vacuum and some bleed line. You see that top portion lift off first, and then push down bottom tab is unlocked, and then take it out or put it back. I showed how it works. And then inside the two yellow locking here and other side here. So you need to push the top portion lift up first using some kind of small screwdriver, and then push down the bottom retainer like this, and then pull it back. It's slightly tricky.